Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on the next four words, that is big, build, came, cause. So we start with the first word, big. B-I-G, big. A big boy, big eyes, big store, a big project. The doll is very beautiful. This doll has big eyes. The apples are big. Mumbai is a big city. That dog is big. Raju is a big boy. What a big truck! Look at that. You should dream big. My house is big and beautiful. The song was a big hit. I am moving to Bengaluru from Mumbai. It's really a big decision. A big bridge was built over the river. We come to the next word, build. Build in, build on, build up, build upon, build into, build a bridge, medium build, muscular build. Ram is strong and muscular build. Ram is strong and muscular build. Try to build up your strength. Birds build nests, N-E-S-T-S. Farhan is building a compound. The workmen were building a bridge. Ramzi built a new house. The house is built of red bricks. Ramzi built a new house. The house is built of red bricks. Shriya likes to build model planes. Shriya likes to build model planes. Iron is used in building ships. Rashi said, I want to build up my English vocabulary. When we talk about building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, it is another structure, a building that you see, a building of 20-story. So that's another way of saying building. Building. The building has 20 floors. It was built by Ron Builders. Tim lives in this building. The next word is came. Came down, came in, came out, came to, came from, came back, came over. Mary came by bus. No one came except Mary. She came alone. She was the only one who came to the party. She came back soon. She came in. She came in. Her dream of becoming a doctor came true. Neha came running into the room. Hitesh came home early yesterday. Amar came home late at night. When the bus came, Minnie got on. When I came home, Swojas was studying. The next word is cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause and effect. The cause, main cause, to cause. Speeding often causes car accidents. What was the cause of the accident? The cause of the accident was alcohol. Driving after drinking alcohol can easily cause accidents. The accident caused a traffic jam. tides are caused by the moon's gravity. Oh, fire. What is the cause of the fire? The fire caused a panic in the theatre. The cause of the fire is not known. The heavy rains caused the river to flood. Flood yani baad, baad aana. The flood caused a lot of damage. Crops were damaged due to the flood. Dirty drinking water can cause sickness. So today we have seen 4 words: beg, build, came, cause. That's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.